Well, I guess. Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing something a little different. Today we are going to see the movie Unsung Hero, or Heroes, something like that. Unsung Hero. And yeah, expectations going in. I love For King and Country. It's pretty funny that even though I love them, I did not know that they were related to Rebecca St. James. So I'm just curious to see what the movie's about. I know it's about, I think, their family growing up. So from there, I don't really know, but it's got a lot of good ratings from other people, and I'm ready to see if I like it. When you're that YouTube star, you just rent out the whole theater. My wife says, you don't think I rented out the whole theater?
No.
So how's the popcorn without butter?
Pretty good.
Good. We decided to get popcorn without butter this time just because, well, it's a little healthier. But yeah. Well, I think we're like, how early? 20 minutes early? I'm surprised since this was a #2 movie when it first came out. I'm sure it'll fill up with more people soon. So guys, my thoughts on the movie was it was a really good movie. Here's some things you're not going to see. It's not going to be one of those big concert type movies where at the end, Rebecca St. James or For King and Country do a lot of music at the end, or like Rebecca St. James having concert within the movie, or For King and Country within the movie. No. It's just basically a story of For King and Country, Rebecca St. James's parents and siblings basically moving from Australia to the US, deal falling through, them becoming broke and poor when they had what looked like a lot of money before they moved to the US, and yada yada yada. That's just kind of how it is. So don't go in expecting it to be, like some other Christian movies that have music videos within it and stuff. It's just a wholesome story, a simple story about their parents and them growing up. That's it. So, and we knew that going in, and I liked it. So those are my thoughts on it. I think it's a good movie. If you're a Christian, non-Christian, it's a good movie. But don't have expectations of it being like a concert.